Daily maintenance of your scissor is what I'm going to show you how to do now. First of all, we start with our chamois that is going to clean the scissor and also wipe the small hair away, and it also create a micro sharpening on the edges. The chamois is made of lambskin, and I fold it between the blade, and then I push back a few times, up to 3 times. That will clean the blade and also do a micro sharpening on the blade. Once that has happened, I take my chamomile flower oil and I add 3 drops of oil, 1 on the balance face, 1 at the back of the center screw, so it hydrates the inside of the center screw. I rotate the scissor and I add 1 more drop on the balance face. Then I keep my scissor pointing to the floor and I let the oil run through the center area so the hair can be pushed out. Once that has happened, I take a bit of the oil and I wipe it on the inside and the outside of my blade to protect the blade against water and chemicals that we're working with in the salon. Finally, I have to make the adjustment of the scissor, and the easiest way is to hold in your thumb loop, let the scissor point straight up to the ceiling, open the scissor in 90 degrees so it creates a plus, and then here that blade should actually sit by itself. It should not move before I move my finger. When I wobble on my hand, the blade should drop from horizontal to diagonal, no further than halfway through, and then it's perfectly adjusted. Now the cutting performance will be maximized on your scissor. So that's how you do your daily care and maintenance of your scissor.